Welcome to the space where words meet heart. I'm here to share beautiful lines with beautiful people. And today I have this really simple and touching, not touching like it makes me emotional or something, but it makes me feel connected to this world that the author is experiencing. I mean, the poet is experiencing. So, the name of the poet is Ankur Mishra, and the poem is called नीला रंग. अगर कभी मैं खोज पाया नीला रंग तो वह आसमानी छतों और सागर की दरियों में नहीं होगा. अगर कभी मैं खोज पाया नीला रंग तो वो आसमानी छतों और सागर की दरियों में नहीं होगा. होगा वह कलम से लहूलुहान कागज़ की रेखाओं में. अगर यह भी नहीं हुआ मैं खोज निकालूंगा उसे अंतरात्मा की परछाइयों में. मैंने नीले मैंने नील से कपड़े धोती माँ की हाथों में नीला रंग देखा है. मैंने नील से कपड़े धोती माँ की हाथों में नीला रंग देखा है. मैंने देखा है नीली पतंग, नीले पहाड़, नीले जंगल और नीला कमल, नीला रक्त भी. काश यही नीला रंग होता मेरी जिंदगी का. This poem is so simple. It's like the author wants to feel all this in his life. So let us go back to this poem and see what are the intentions, the soul behind this poem. What is really the author feeling? And it is really amazing that he is giving us the chance to feel what he is feeling. That is so beautiful. So the first line says, अगर कभी मैं खोज पाया नीला रंग तो वह आसमानी छतों और सागर की दरियों में नहीं होगा. So now when he is saying आसमानी छतों, so आसमानी छतों, by that he means like the sky, the vast sky which is surrounding the whole earth. And sagar ke daryo is like the deep sea. But he doesn't want to find the blueness in those. Maybe they are always blue, but still it is really unreachable. And maybe this doesn't make the author feel what he really wants to feel. So then what does the author trying to find in blueness? What kind of blueness is he looking for? होगा वह कमल से लहूलुहान कागज़ की रेखाओं में. कमल से लहूलुहान कागज़ की रेखाओं में. You see, like the pages which are on whom the writer has written all his poems or maybe stories or whatever he has poured his heart on that paper. That blue color makes writer feel something. That makes writer feel passionate. That blue color makes writer feel that fire which he is looking for. अगर यह भी नहीं हुआ, if writer is not able to find this कलम से लहूलुहान कागज़ की रेखाओं में, I don't know why writer would say that कि होगा वह कलम से लहूलुहान कागज़ की रेखाओं में, अगर यह भी नहीं हुआ. So even if the passion, the adventure that writer is looking for, and he is not able to find that blueness of passion and adventure in those papers, then he will look for them in his अंतरात्मा की परछाइयों में. So now he says अंतरात्मा की परछाई, shadows of his inner self. So the shadows of his inner self, they should be on his paper. But still, he will, if his writings are not giving him that feeling, then he will go even deeper into within himself and try to bring that out. He wants to know himself. He wants to know what his soul is. He wants to know who he is in reality. And that blue color is what he is looking for. We associate blue color with ink, like very basically. मैंने नील से कपड़े धोती माँ के हाथों में नीला रंग देखा है. Now the writer maybe is remembering his childhood memories, and even now whenever he sees his mother washing clothes, like especially the white clothes, when we are washing, we put some blue color in it so to make the white look brighter. And when he is talking about mother, even when I read this line, what I'm feeling is love, kindness, some kind of nostalgia. Like this feeling is beautiful and it is really innocent. And it feels like home. So we want to stay back, we want to, become still and reminiscent on this feeling. We want to stay in this feeling for longer. मैंने देखा है नीली पतंगे, नीले पहाड़, नीले जंगल, नीला कमल, नीला रक्त भी, नीली पतंगे. Now when we are thinking about kites, blue kites in sky, that is what writer is saying, blue kites. So that reminds us of childhood, playfulness, that energy, that excitement. Neele pahad. When we think about mountains, it makes us think about hard work, achieving a goal, and that feeling of achievement, which brings that passion into us. Neele Jungle. Now, when we think about forests, it makes us think about adventure. Something is hidden, there is some kind of mystery, and there are many unknown things that are yet to be found out. So, this adventurous phase, this adventurous kind of life, that is what writer is looking for. Neela Kamal. Now, we often associate Kamal, lotus, with spirituality. In the beginning of the poem, the poet was talking about Antaratma ki parchaiya, the shadows of his inner self. So yeah, the writer is again mentioning about spirituality here. Neela Raktabhi. Now, when you look at your hand, so there are veins which we can even see on our skin. So when we look at our veins, they kind of appear bluish. So I guess that is what writer is referring to. Neela Rakta, blue blood. And when we look at blood, we are reminded of life, something living. So the writer wants to feel alive in the moment he is living. There is living where you are just, there feeling nothing, but the writer wants to feel alive in the moment. So in the end, the writer says, काश काश यही नीला रंग होता मेरी जिंदगी का. So now the writer is desiring. He's really desiring. He really wants this blue color. This blue color which is backed by so many emotions and feelings and things he wants to feel in his life. So he wants that blue color in his life. Such a beautiful poem. This small poems talks about so many things, and that is really beautiful. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'll see you in next one. Till then, bye.